The Luno bed is an air mattress that lays across the two front cab seats here within the Solis pocket. What comes in this bag, or with the Luno bed, is a rechargeable air pump. What's nice about this air pump, you do not necessarily need to be plugged into an air supply. It's rechargeable by USB-C, located here in the back. So there's two sections for this Luno bed. One in the shape of a T, and that's actually going to be the base. Yep, this guy here. As you can kind of see, it's kind of in a T formation, just like that. And then the next section will be the actual air mattress topper that will lay across the base itself. Just like that. So a little pro tip before we get started, just make sure the base of the seats are fully extended back. So you want to get as much room and utilize as much space here in the front to set up the Luno bed. So to get started, let's go ahead and set the base down. So again, it's a T formation mattress. Let's go ahead and set this up. So we're gonna lay this down just like this as a T. So you want the valves pretty much facing the coach. And as you can see, we have an inflate or adjust and a deflate valve. So on the air pump itself, we have an inflate and then we have a deflate. Just like you would at your normal air mattress at home. Put the top part on, and then now we're able to inflate the base of the Luno bed. Okay, so base is completely filled. As you can see, it's nice and sturdy. It will rest up against the front cab area. So now we're able to take the second piece, so the air mattress that will lay completely across the top of this. So let me grab that. Same process. We'll lay it out completely, like this. We'll lay it out completely. We'll have the Luno facing this way, completely flat. So you'll have the steering wheel actually on top of the Luno bed itself. Same process, we have an inflate and a deflate valve located, and you want that pointing towards the coach. Just gonna close the deflate. Turn it on. So the Luno bed is completely inflated, ready to go to bring somebody else on those amazing trips. So from here, now we want to follow the same exact process to deflate it. So grab the air pump. So remember, change the nozzle to the top portion. We'll say deflate. Head over to the deflate valve located towards the coach, and it'll just take you a few minutes to deflate everything up and put it all in the bag.